I've made it to California. I've checked into our Marriott hotel, and now I'm going to take you along on my California journey. We're staying at the Anaheim Marriott Convention Center, and I'm going to show you what it's like to stay here. I'm going to show you the room and what it's like going from here to Disneyland and DCA. Thanks for being here, and let's go. Right as you walk into the room, this is what it looks like. We have bathroom and 2 queen beds because we will be sharing the room with Tanya. I will show you, we have a little chair, and you can get a king or 2 beds with doubles if you need more room in the room. But this is what our view is. Those purple flowering trees are so gorgeous. The pool is right down there, and we do have great views. It's so pretty here. But I want to show you the bathroom, and we do have a TV and a desk area, mirror, and the bathroom. Always so spacious. It looks very clean. Towels and a stand-up shower. Looking good. And they also do provide you with the soaps. And then there is also this closet, and it does have a safe and some hangers and more bedding. I mean, the room is very simple. It does have a coffee maker. If you'd like some water, let's see what's in here. Maybe all the teas and coffee, yep. And then down here, glasses. That's it. This is where we'll be for the next 4 days. Okay, this is our outside view. I think that's like downtown Anaheim, and then the park would be straight this way. Our hotel, this Marriott, is situated in between and over by the convention center. We are next to the Hilton, and we're gonna go take a short walk over to the Toy Story lot. So to give you a reference point, the Marriott, the Hilton Anaheim, and then we're gonna keep walking, and you walk down this block, and that traffic light ahead is the entrance to the Toy Story lot. So this is the intersection, and we're gonna cross over, and right there it says Disney Parks Parking. We're gonna be on Disney property, and we're gonna head over to the buses. So a 7 to 10 minute walk. I'm in the Toy Story parking lot, and we're headed right over here to the buses. We made it through security, and now we're going to hop on the bus, and we do have a line this morning, but it does go very quickly. They bring several buses in, and now we're ready to get on a bus. It does, again, come pretty quickly, so don't get discouraged if you're over here. Again, they have lots of buses coming to grab the guests. And now we're going to be taken to the front of the park. Okay, we made it off the bus, and now we're headed to the park entrance. We do not have to go through security. We went through security back before we got on the bus. So we're free to go, and we'll be walking right in. All right, we are here. We can choose to go to Disney's California Adventure or Disneyland. This morning we're going over to Disneyland, and we're gonna now go get in line to get scanned into the park.